Have you ever wondered how jealousy could transform a mythical love story into a tale of betrayal? Meet Glaucus, a humble fisherman whose life changed forever when he discovered a magical herb that gave him immortality and turned him into a sea god. With newfound powers, Glaucus roamed the ocean, eventually falling passionately in love with the beautiful nymph, Scylla. However, Scylla, frightened by his transformed appearance, rejected his advances, leaving Glaucus heartbroken and desperate for acceptance. Seeking help, Glaucus approached the sorceress Circe, known for her potent magic and unpredictable nature. But Circe had her own designs. She fell for Glaucus and, spurned by his unwavering love for Scylla, she plotted revenge. In a fit of jealousy, Circe brewed a powerful potion and poured it into the waters where Scylla bathed. As Scylla emerged, her body was grotesquely transformed into a monstrous creature with 12 dog heads and serpentine lower limbs. Horrified by her new form, Scylla retreated to a cave, forever separated from the world and Glaucus. Thus, a tale of love turned tragic by jealousy and betrayal emerged, reminding us of the potent forces of the human heart in the realm of gods and monsters.